guys, and welcome to Petrol Pet, and welcome to the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera launch. So we're about 10 minutes away from the big reveal. Everyone is eagerly anticipating to see what's underneath that cloth. The great and the good are here. We're all enjoying a bit of champagne, some canapes, and the atmosphere is building. I think this is going to be quite spectacular. I have pegged out my place in what I hope is the best place I can find.
The Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. The DBS is our halo car. It's a true athlete, but it's an athlete that really wants to show off. The car really is the pinnacle in the range. It's everything that we know about GT cars rolled into one car. Over the years, it's evolved since David Brown initially introduced DBS. It's both a sporting model and a special model. In combination, DBS and Superleggera really bring history together. And now our new DBS is reborn as the ultimate within our Super GT line. It's an icon. It sits very well with our basic ethos. Everything we do is for the love of beautiful. But the inspiration behind the new DBS is showing power. Think of that Herculean impressiveness. Think of that black hole. Think about something that has so much mass or power or strength, absolute in its beauty and absolute in its power. If I were to pick design highlights, you have to look at the grille. It's an extracted hexagon. The hexagons are important because it becomes the graphic language for DBS. Then there's the Aero Blade 2. There is no physical wing, so you have no drag, and it creates greater downforce and better aerodynamics. It's breathtaking. Superleggera refers to this lightweight construction. 80% of the body panels on the upper are carbon fibre. The V12 engine was an obvious choice. It's our most powerful engine. It's aggressive with this huge amount of torque. Torque is such an important feature. That's the delivery of your power. It's what actually throws your neck back as you accelerate. It's what you actually get hit with. Everybody concentrates on horsepower. Torque is the power of the punch. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Dr. Andy Poll, President and Chief Executive Officer of Aston Martin Logano.
Thank you, everybody. It's always a proud moment when a father is able to introduce his baby to everybody. This is kind of like that way. Beautiful is absolute. The DBS Superleggera, replacing the Vanquish, drawing on the DBS name and bringing together with the name of the Superleggera. Two great iconic names brought together in one car. And this car, I believe, certainly deserves those monikers. This is a car capable of 211 miles an hour. Capable of 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, if you really need it. Yes, you do. It's a car that is designed to sit in the Super GT segment, but without being skittish. It's a car that's designed to allow you to travel quickly across continents. It's not a car that is looking for the ultimate in horsepower, although it gives you 750 horsepower. But that's not the story. It's a much more complex story to explain, but it's a much more rewarding story. Let's think about horsepower. Horsepower is really a little bit like the speed of the punch. What's much more interesting in a car of this nature is the power of the punch. And torque is about that power of punch. And this car has an overwhelming punch. 900 Newton meters of pure power. That's 20% greater than you find on a certain other red type of car. I'm just saying.
Striking lines down the side. Got the details above the wheel arches, very similar to DB11, and that moves down the airflow down the side of the car, and it's got the same aero technology at the back that the DB11 has, so no massive visible spoiler, but a huge amount of downforce produced by airflow being managed down the car through the kind of channels just in the wing just here. So basically you'll get air coming out of the front wheel arch. So this will induce vortices to come down the side of the car. It goes inside there, and then it will then come out and be deployed out of the rear of the car, producing downforce, but without the drag that, and I guess the aesthetics of a big spoiler on the back as well. So I think we might well have the new rear of the year. Love the rear lights coming down, obviously quad exit exhaust from that V12, and then beautiful diffuser. The whole bodywork is in carbon fibre, but beautiful, beautiful lines down the side of the car. I love the Superleggera badging on the bonnet. And that little grille you can just see inside with the V12 lurking underneath, and then you come around the front of the car, and I just think the front of the car looks exceptional. That big grille with the hexagon detailing on it, beautiful. Summarise the numbers underneath the bonnet then. We have the Aston Martin V12, had to be really for this flagship car. That's producing 715 horsepower, but the outstanding figure isn't the horsepower, it's the torque figure. 900 Newton meters of torque. It's going to propel that car like nothing else. I'm sure it's going to sound pretty good as well. Okay guys, so let's have a look inside.
You did it. It's almost like we staged this.
Hey, it's Mr. Steph ABTV. Shall we shut the door and
I think so.
block out the
noise?
What do you think of this?
I really like it. I've got to say it. I have to say it. I'm sorry. I don't like these. That's the only thing I don't like.
We've got to be balanced in our review. Okay.
What for the price of this car?
Yeah.
What is that? The rest of this car, however, stunning.
Absolutely mega, isn't it?
Mate.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm pretty blown away by it, actually. It's lovely in here. Very Vanquish-like in here in many respects, which is a really good thing.
Yeah, well, it's replacing it, isn't it?
Yeah. But outside, just it's got that kind of mix of aggression and beauty and functionality, and I just think it looks beautiful.
It does. Big V12 lump up the front. The bonnet looks very long from this position.
Massively long.
It's like
I don't know whether I'll be
long.
able to get. I don't know whether I'll be able to get how long that bonnet is. Yeah, it's a long bonnet.
The thing
But I guess you've got the DB11 sort of Mercedes Daimler-Benz derived MMI, which has got to be a good thing. No emotion control unit, like the new Vantage by the looks of things.
But I guess the big one, isn't it? It's, you know, that much power, big lump in the front. We're rear wheel drive, nearly 950 newton meters of torque.
Yeah.
This is going to be an animal to drive.
Oh yeah.
This is going to be an animal.
Yeah, this is going to be the seat of dreams. Well, yeah. So I reckon we jump back outside the car, bring this video to a close. But yeah, in here, very, very nice place to be.
Nice click.
Ooh,
Nice click.
ooh.
It's always a big thing for me with paddles. If they got to click nicely,
Yeah,
win.
yeah, very nice. Yeah, we like it inside. So look who I bumped into. What are you doing, mate?
Who'd have thought it, eh? Aston Martin launch.
I know.
I'm
Aston Martin
here.
launch. The owner of Red 10. How is
Indeed.
Red 10, sir?
It is in rude health.
Yes.
Yes,
You had
very
a
good.
great Le Mans.
We had a great Le Mans. and
We are talking about getting some major beers at Festival Speed and finding
We
out
are
all
indeed.
about Le Mans.
We are
So
indeed.
what do you think of the DBS Superleggera?
I think it is absolutely stunning. Yeah, particularly in that colour.
Yeah.
I'm not a white car man.
We were having a bet as to what colour it's going to be. We thought it would be red for the launch one, but
Have you seen the red colour on the? Okay, don't say that.
yeah,
Don't say
I
that.
think they're going to be off Andy Palmer's Christmas carpet.
I think they are, but nevertheless, I mean, it's what a fantastic car.
Well, great to see you, mate.
And you too. Thanks, Pete. Nice to see you.
These people you bump into at launches.
Who'd have thought it?
So then guys, it's about time I draw this video to a close with the new DBS Superleggera behind me and a glass of champagne in my hand. I've been interviewed by Aston Martin. I've done my very best, really hard on launches like this to get you close to the car and get the details. It's all thrown at you, and I will have edited this really quickly as well to get it out and exclusive. But my impressions of the car are, I think it's an absolutely beautiful car. I don't think there's an ugly panel on the car. My favourite, you kind of start at the front, beautiful front, you kind of go round the side of the car and your eyes drawn down the rear of the car. Lovely inside, very Vanquish-like inside. I can't only imagine what it's going to be like to drive, and hopefully I might get to do that one day. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. A huge thank you to Aston Martin for the invite this evening. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have done so, give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol. Plenty more content to come, because it's you guys subscribing get me invited to events like this. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next video. You take care. Drive safe.